let's freshen up this gross. This is going to have the brush on the top, the padding on the top, and the scrubbing part. And then you're gonna have the lemon cleaning scent. And then in the middle there, you have another scrubbing layer and then another lemon cleaning scent and then the final scrubbing layer. Let's see how good these works. And I just connected this on to my existing, I have a Clorox wand stick over here, and I just put that right on there. So in there, they just adapt right on and go right on. And let's scrub it. It gives off that yellow color. I can already smell that scent. It smells really good. All right, that is looking great and smelling good. You might not think it does, but it actually does. There's the aftermath of the scrub. That worked great. And then you have the other scents as well, and you just take this over. I have a garbage right by here where I just go over, and then there we go. There are the other two smells. This is the lavender, the purple, and the blue is the ocean blue smell. And so like I said, scrub pad brush there, and it is pretty coarse to be able to get all of that gunk and dirt out. It clips right onto my existing Clorox wand that I have. Thanks for sending me these to review.